Hello everybody again. Today we're gonna do some Minecraft. Episode 2, not episode 1. I already made episode 1. We're gonna leave off right where we're gonna go from where we left off. Jesus. I can't even say anything today right now. What the heck? Ooh. I'll go single player. Yay. And awesome. Selected world out. We're ready for it to load. Anytime now. Anytime now. Anytime now. Okay, got it. Oh god. Oh my god, I placed those 9 and 2 crafting tables. Sweet. I was gonna use this one for a building block right down here. You know, you can make underwater houses. You know that? Let's switch it back to survival after I do something. Ooh, there's going already. Go to that island. Oh, I think we're trying to make a roller coaster. Guess I can go to that island and go to that island. And that island over there. Let's see what over there is. No. Didn't really know. Okay. And right here. That's why I'm gonna be crafting and setting crap. But over here. Right. I think this spot here. Right here. Is where I am going to have to build some waters actually. So that I can't go any deeper. There's a block there. So I'm gonna mark that. Oh yeah, and there's an island way over there. How do you know? Islands everywhere, man. Okay, let's change back to 0. Now I'm back in creative. I can't fly now. I mean, not in creative, I'm in survival. Can't fly now. Got hearts. Oh, snap a bucket. Oh, these Christmas flakes. Oh, made out of marshmallows. Can we get on my... No! They're so blocky! So then no! Too many blocky things. No, I don't want to go over there right now. I don't want to go over there right now. Too many enemies. Could have built it right here, but I didn't want to because of them. They could just easily just come and not especially the skeleton, you could easily just shoot me. So that's kind of like a big no-no. What should I do? I should just make a bridge right now. Woo! I don't think I want to go right now. Yeah, let's make a bridge, man. Just go right from the movie, man. Thank you for the black bag. Sweet. I'm doing it just because, well, it's not going down. So, know. I just extended it out here now. We'll wait for day. Yeah, we'll wait for day. Let's make this a little larger. No! Dude, risk yourself at occasional reasons, like what I just did. And that was pretty occasional. Let me get this place a little bit more better. Come on, David. Alright, what's up? Jesus. Can't I? Anyway. How do I still have? Oh, that's it. Oh yeah, I got swords now, so. A sword, a pickaxe, an axe, and then my shovel right here. Let's go. I don't want to just wait here for nothing for you guys, so let's go. Someone's gonna die tonight. Maybe today. Some squid from the scream, so. Oh, creeper. You don't even know what's gonna hit you. Oh my god, no, wait. Hey, what? Shoot. No. No. Seriously, how can a creeper always just come by me? Help me, bro. Help me. Help me, bro. Help me, bro. Help me, bro. Help me, bro. What's wrong? You don't want to come get me? Chicken. Try it's not. It's got no effect. It said don't plant TNT in water because it's got no effect. No effect in it. Nothing explodes. You just see a big white explosion and that's it. That's it. A zombie, get over here. Ow, 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 ow. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Die. 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 Where are you? Build yourself. Yeah, I'm a monster hunter. Oh god. Holy crap! Holy crap, they're right on my forehead. That was like a slow down. No, don't follow me. You're just making it worse for yourself. Oh man, you missed me by a long shot. Not gonna catch me in time, sucker. Sit. On my house. My house, man. You could have your house anywhere. You could also build a house if you wanted to. Right now, I'm not gonna do that. Come on, where is he? Standing right there like a complete retard. Yeah, now you're gonna be set of fire. Let's go, you complete retard. Let's go. Let's go. What happened? You acted like a complete retard. A complete man. What's wrong with you? You're not gonna fuck his bones. You should have an arrow, maybe. You should have an arrow. Oh, that zombie's still alive. Oh, he's in water, so it's not gonna affect him. Lucky zombie, lucky. Until you walk out of that water, you're dead. An arrow. Why I want that arrow? Collect arrows from skeletons, because once you make a bow and arrow, a bow, then you can actually shoot the arrows. Because you need to craft arrows and then have them out right next to the arrow. Well, you don't need to have them out right next to the arrow on this bar, but bars. But I'd rather do that. Collect some wood here. Need more wood. You could also make an underground house. You should also go to Minecraft.net. I'll show you a little commercial for it. Tell you what you could do. Not .com, but .net. How much time do I have left here? We got a little bit more time. This is how we must hit the road. Shovel. That was really good at using dirt. You just get places really fast. That's where you start using the pickaxe. Next episode, I'm going to show you how to make things with stone. So it's good to have a lot of stone, a lot of cobblestone. Well, we're gonna end the video right here, buddy. So, peace out.